Hey, how you guys doing? Hey,
Hi,
Jasper.
buddy. You remember Dr. Doug?
Oh, I got it.
Go, puppy. Okay. Come on. There we go. Well, recently he started regurgitating his food.
We'll see what his ribs look like. Like he's just so emaciated.
He's very thin.
You know, we'll do some work today. I want to check his upper cervicals. I want to check his TMJ. There it goes. 2, 3. Woo!
Wow! Good job!
Hey, how you guys doing?
Good.
Let's see who's in here. Hey,
Hi,
Jasper.
buddy. You remember Dr. Doug?
You gonna come out? Get a little adjustment?
Hey.
Hi, Viola.
Hi.
There you go.
I know that when he got his last adjustment, just the light in his eyes, and you can see how trusting he is. Like, he knows that you're helping him, and he's really enjoying it. He has lost a little weight since last time we came here. Oh my God, but right now the grass is up, and that's really all he wants to eat. And so we just keep trying to give him whatever he'll eat. He's extremely old, but there's no reason why he shouldn't be comfortable and living his best life in his old age. And I know that by bringing him here, he is definitely accomplishing that. Trusting he is of you, and now we're getting a ticket. Please don't give us a ticket.
Oh. Hi, Jasper. Is it okay if I work with you? Think about that for a minute. Atlas is all the way up here, it's so hard to get to under these floors. We're stuck down here today. Come in here. Okay, that's it. So they have that back leg. I'm an animal chiropractor.
I have 2 dogs upstairs. We have a sanctuary in this building.
Down here. Let me have that. There it is. Oh, I got it.
All right.
Oh, that was it. Did you do that one, guys?
I love
Now I'm at the lowest lumbar.
He's being so good.
He loves it. He loves that.
Hang in there, Jasper. Come on, Bubba, let's do it.
do you think?
I'm almost done, boo-boo. What's new? Alan made a big crack.
What do you think, buddy? You happy? Oh my God, you look so happy.
Yeah, that's perfect, Jasper. Just lead the way. There you go, baby. A little.
Wow, good job, buddy.
I also want to rub his get into his psoas muscle a little bit, and I also want to get into his guts a little bit, his intestinal area. Just work out. I'm gonna just massage.
He's got stomach issues.
So I'm gonna work into his. So I'm all the way in here. So this is really where he's emaciated on both sides.
Yeah.
But now I'm gonna come in and work in here.
He's so thin. He's very old. Yeah. That's why we're
in this
here
building.
with Dr. Animal Cracker.
I'm the animal cracker. You can see my card.
That's like his best life.
I see a lot of dogs. Yeah. Not too many goats in my office. I go to see goats, but not in my office. And
It's from
from
Tamerlaine.
from her farm.
We're in northern New Jersey. Yeah.
All right, here's another one. Ready?
From here. Yep. This is the second time.
Okay.
I love how trusting this animal is.
The last time he came here, just the light in his eyes after he was adjusted, he looked so happy.
He's trusting, but he knows it's safe. And he knows
Yeah. On the streets of New York City. Like, that's how trusting he is.
I am in love with this entire thing. Sienna, look at it.
We lost Jasper 5 days ago on June 3rd, 2023. I spoke with Gabrielle and she said it was a tough decision, but she didn't want him to have a bad day. And he was falling down and conferred with her team and they said it was time. I got to work with him 3 times. I went to Tamerlaine after this video was made and worked on, they have 250 animals there, and got to work on a lot of goats and chickens and cows and mules and just all sorts of fun animals. And Jasper I spent a little time with, and the good news, the work that we did really helped. By placing his jaw and getting his neck aligned and his back and his spine and all the nerves going to his intestinal tract, he gained 10 pounds in his final weeks, and he was able to eat really well. And so that's great. I'm gonna really miss Jasper, and please leave a nice comment for Gabrielle and all the volunteers at Tamerlaine. They do such a great job, and if you ever visit that farm, you would see so much love that they put in as a team to take care of all these great animals. So thanks for watching today. I'm gonna just massage.
He's got stomach issues.
So I'm gonna work into his